Welcome to Future Forward, the next step, your weekly look at how AI is being used in real, practical ways by your colleagues. In today's episode, we're joined by Tyler Germer. He will demonstrate how to use Photoshop's AI-powered Generative Expand feature to seamlessly enlarge and enhance images.
Today, I want to show you a quick and easy way to use Photoshop's AI-powered Generative Expand tool, or the Generative Fill tool, to fix a problem we all run into, especially when we're working on things like Professional Leadership Day. Here is a photo that I am using that is rather too small for the frame, but I don't want to stretch it or I don't want to distort it in any way. So what I do is I come up here to the rectangular marquee tool, I click on this, and then I draw the selection around the area I want to expand. Then I'm going to disable the frame, and I'm going to then right click and choose Generative Fill. I leave the prompt blank, and Photoshop uses AI to fill in the space based on what's already in the image. Just hit generate and let's see what it comes up with. As you can see, the image itself expanded properly and I didn't lose any pixels, or the image itself was not distorted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, select the frame, and bam, now the image is perfectly placed in the frame and I didn't lose quality. Here is another tool you could use to expand your photo. You come over here to the left side, you select the crop tool, and what you're going to do is you're going to expand however far you want to on each side. And then you want to come up here to where it says fill, and you want to change this where it says transparent to Generative Expand. Hit the check mark, leave the prompt blank, and then click generate. And there you go. And now your image has expanded perfectly without losing any quality or even making it heavily distorted. I think this is a great way because not only are you expanding your image, but using AI, it could really change the photo itself. For example, in the photo, I was standing, but what AI thought I was doing, it thought I was sitting. So what it did, it took the image of me standing and it changed it to me sitting on different things, whether that be, along the rocks here, or just sitting on a bench. This is perfect, and I think everyone should give this a try.
Got a cool way you're using AI? We'd love to feature your story. Contact Tyler Germer at tgermer@csiu.org to be part of a future episode.